When homeowners in Knoxville think about home improvement, one of the most overlooked yet impactful upgrades is door installation. Whether it's a front entry door, patio door, or interior door replacement, investing in new doors can dramatically improve your home's comfort, appearance, and long-term value. Here's why door installation in Knoxville is truly worth every dollar. Enhancing energy efficiency. Knoxville's weather brings a mix of hot, humid summers and chilly winters. Older doors, especially those made of wood or outdated materials, often warp or lose their seal over time. This allows drafts to enter your home, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Modern door installations feature energy-efficient materials like fiberglass, insulated steel, and weather-stripped frames that minimize air leakage. These upgrades help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and can significantly reduce energy costs throughout the year. Over time, those savings can offset the initial investment, making it a financially smart choice for Knoxville homeowners. Boosting curb appeal and property value. Your door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A new, well-designed entry door can completely transform your home's facade, adding a touch of elegance and modern charm. Knoxville's real estate market rewards curb appeal. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with attractive, secure, and efficient entryways. From classic wooden doors that complement traditional Southern architecture to sleek fiberglass or steel models that fit modern designs, professional door installation enhances both aesthetic and resale value. Simply put, replacing an outdated door is one of the most cost-effective ways to elevate your home's appearance and market worth. Improving security and peace of mind. Home security is a priority for families in Knoxville, and your doors play a critical role in keeping your home safe. Older doors with worn locks or flimsy frames are vulnerable entry points for break-ins. Modern door installations come equipped with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and durable materials that provide superior protection. Fiberglass and steel doors, in particular, offer excellent resistance against forced entry while maintaining their aesthetic appeal. Installing a new door isn't just about style, it's about securing your loved ones and valuables with confidence. Reducing noise and increasing comfort. If you live near busy streets, construction zones, or bustling neighborhoods in Knoxville, noise reduction becomes an important factor in home comfort. Newer doors are designed with insulated cores and sound-dampening materials that significantly reduce outdoor noise. Whether it's the hum of traffic or a neighbor's lawnmower, a properly installed door helps create a quieter and more peaceful home environment. This improvement adds to your everyday comfort, making your living space feel more private and relaxing. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Modern door materials are engineered to last. Unlike traditional wooden doors that can crack, peel, or rot from humidity, today's fiberglass and steel options require minimal maintenance. These doors resist Knoxville's unpredictable weather, from summer storms to winter cold, without warping or fading. With professional installation, you'll get a door that fits perfectly and performs optimally for years. This long-term durability means fewer repairs, lower maintenance costs, and a better return on your investment. Enhancing home functionality and aesthetics. Upgrading your doors isn't just about protection or efficiency, it's also about enhancing how your home feels and functions. Sliding patio doors, French doors, and custom-designed entryways can open up your home visually, letting in natural light and improving flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Professional installers ensure a precise fit that prevents drafts, sticking, or misalignment, common problems with DIY installations. The result is a smooth, stylish, and functional upgrade that enhances daily living while expressing your home's unique character. Conclusion: a smart, lasting investment. Door installation in Knoxville is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's a strategic investment in your home's security, efficiency, and long-term value. From reducing energy bills to boosting curb appeal and comfort, the benefits far outweigh the costs. Choosing a professional door installation service ensures that your doors not only look beautiful but also perform efficiently for years to come. For Knoxville homeowners looking to make a lasting, valuable upgrade, a new door is truly an investment worth making.